housing, in my opinion, it's definitely a human need. And in that context, we all have been there. A home, a house, it provides us with the security that we require. So from that standpoint, as a human being, I will now move from the perspective of a developer. I agree with the two other panelists on the platform that there is an inequality as far as the developments that are taking place and the target segment where the middle market is getting marginalized in owning a unit within Colombo. However, looking at it from that perspective, the penetration of the apartment industry in Colombo is still lower in comparison to many parts of developing countries and developed regions. So I think the apartment penetration has to take place, and we do also, on the other hand, provide an opportunity for the youth who are professionals who come in, aspiring to work in rapid growing cities, and then we shouldn't marginalize them out. But there are issues that we need to discuss later on. But the client segment, coming back to it, has changed. It has changed post COVID, and before that the system has changed. Then, as mentioned before, there was also the situation with the currency, the economic situation. Construction cost has escalated, and I'm sure some of us are sitting here today wondering what's happening with the cost right now, which we are debating with the commitments we have all undertaken. So looking at it from that perspective, we came out with a concept a bit different, because vertical living is critical. Vertical living is also generating a different perspective where they work from home. So we decided to embark 2 years ago into a different arm, which was largely to the tourist-driven areas where they can have a villa-based lifestyle as opposed to a lifestyle in the urban cities. But now I have realized with launching that it's actually complementing. So as mentioned, the buyer who is a high net worth buyer, their income brackets are definitely over $1 million to $1.5 million a month is their take home per individual. That is the bracket that is actually purchasing. So there are things that we can discuss that has changed in the last 3-4 years. So that is marginalizing. So I would leave it there, and then I hope I've answered what you were looking for.